welcome to EpiJournal Quick Codes. Today we'll learn how to read many CSV files into one data frame, and this is from one folder. Now let me show you what I mean. We have a folder here called Input. We want to go and read every single one of these CSV files quickly and efficiently and stick them into one data frame. We want to stick them together, so an R-bind essentially. Now in this case we've got COVID data, so we've got one individual and their results with their age and sex, etc. Now in this case, if you're going to be sent this kind of information, you're normally sent it on a daily or weekly kind of way, and this is a little bit difficult because the names of each of these will change. They'll normally go and list the name of each file as the unique ID for that particular person. And this is annoying for the data officer because we can't predict that. So when we want to stick them together, we're going to have to read them in separately. So read CSV, read underscore CSV brackets, and then you'd put that in inverted commas, etc. And we're going to have to do that every single time, so there's loads and loads of iterations, and we may have thousands of these. So let's automate it. So I'm going to go and show you how to do that. So first things first, let's go File, New Project, Existing Directory, Browse. In this case it's YouTube Test purrr, because we're going to be using the purrr package. Okay, now first things first, our script. Now library tidyverse. So we're going to be using the tidyverse package, okay? Which has purrr within it, as you can go and see there. Okay, so first things first, we make our folder with all the data you want to read, and make sure they are all CSV. Just make sure of that. Next up, we want to make a project. Make project. Then we will be calling the dir. And I'll show you what this is. So dir, don't know what it stands for, don't really care. We've made our folder, it's called input. This is kind of like a working directory, right? So put input here. Then we want to go and call full names. Full.names equals true. This shows you within input of this directory, and then this is that, this is that, this is that, and it shows it in a list format. Okay. Now let's turn it into a data frame. Turn this data frame. So let's go and call data frame. We can do exactly the same thing. dir. Get the directories first. Input. Then we put full.names equals true, and because it's tidyverse, we can pipe it, and then this is the purrr package. So map data frame, and what we put in is the function. What do we want to do? We want to read underscore CSV. Cool. CSV. After you do that, call it. Boom. So within this, we've got few files. So we've got Steve, 23, female, and positive for COVID. All right. Now, all we've done is all of these, we stick them together, and now we've got a little data frame. And just to note that you can do this for thousands and thousands of CSV documents, and the specifically read underscore CSV, that puts it together and reads it faster on the whole. Anyway, I hope that has helped, as it certainly helped me. All right, take care.